You good?
Yeah, peace.
It's the crayons. Get off of me. I'm in shock right now. Excuse me, sorry. Too much chicken. So that's
That was a smoothie burp.
Even when I didn't want to be.
sorry.
That was really nice.
Thank you.
Thanks, Gabe.
Put it out.
Okay.
Oh god. It's about to be lit tonight. Bro, I keep on messing up. It's so hold on, excuse me. Hours, guys. Sorry. So, guys, after some YouTube meetings, actually,
Yeah, I got you.
can we do that? Super sneaky. Yeah, I burp. Still cute though.
Ew.
Accept me for who I am. Anyways, you realize that. Buddy, time to get those hairs cut. All right, well, Prank Wars is on. Great. I'm gonna go grab a thumbnail. So basically,
It's like Christmas, it's like family time. Like that's
good, but I have to wake him up. My name's Jeff. Guys, and is my favorite.
yeah, it's lit. It's my favorite too.
Thanks, Tony. Day, cuz.
Really?
Really?